I'm Ava. Welcome to Korean Ladder, the radio lesson where Korean gets one rung easier.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. 오늘도 따뜻하게 한국어 한 계단 올라가요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. Respectful Korean can be simple when you learn it as real phrases.
Here's my problem. If 세요 can mean please do something, why does 많이 드세요 not sound like I'm ordering my grandma to eat a lot?
좋은 질문이에요. 많이 드세요 is often a warm wish at a meal. In English, it feels like please enjoy and have plenty.
The key is context. At the table or at the door, many 세요 phrases are caring set phrases, not strict orders.
So when I say 많이 드세요, I'm not pushing food. I'm being kind and respectful.
오늘의 패턴은 the ending 세요 and after a consonant 으세요. It raises respect toward the person doing the action.
Today we focus on three warm phrases. 많이 드세요, 살펴가세요, and 편히 계세요.
드세요 comes from 드시다, the honorific form for eat or drink. So 많이 드세요 is more respectful than 많이 먹으세요.
Let me try the meaning. 많이 is a lot and 드세요 is the respectful eat or drink part.
맞아요. You can say it when you serve food, pour tea, or invite a guest to start eating.
Next, 살펴가세요. It literally has the feeling of looking after yourself as you go. In English, go carefully or take care on your way.
It is warm and a little gentle. You might say it to an elder leaving your home, especially if you want to sound caring.
Pronunciation point. In 많이 드세요, 많이 can sound like 많이 in natural speech, but keep the spelling 많이 in your mind.
많이 드세요.
좋아요. Make it gentle, not like an instruction. 많이 드세요.
Third phrase, 편히 계세요. 편히 means comfortably. 계세요 is the honorific form of 있어요 when someone stays or is somewhere.
So if a guest is staying in the room, I can say 편히 계세요, like please be comfortable here.
Exactly. And 계세요 honors the guest or elder. It is not about your own staying. It honors the person who is there.
Notice the three places. Food, 많이 드세요. Living, 살펴가세요. Staying, 편히 계세요.
I like that. It's less grammar math and more knowing what kind of care I'm giving.
Now listen to a short doorway scene after dinner. The real Korean turns are on the card.
오늘 와주셔서 감사해요. 많이 드셨어요?
네, 정말 잘 먹었어요.
살펴가세요.
네, 편히 계세요.
Wait, Juno said. 편히 계세요. Back to Hannah, because Hannah is staying at home, right?
맞아요. The person leaving can say 편히 계세요 to the person who remains.
And the person staying can say 살펴가세요 to the person leaving.
Let's try. Ava, repeat after me. 많이 드세요.
많이 드세요.
좋습니다. Now 살펴가세요.
살펴가세요.
좋아요. Last one. 편히 계세요.
편히 계세요.
Very good. In all three, the ending 세요 is soft, respectful, and caring.
Common mistake time. Could I say 많이 먹어 to my teacher if I'm serving snacks?
To a teacher, 많이 먹어 is too casual. Use 많이 드세요. In English, it sounds like please enjoy some, respectfully.
많이 먹으세요 is grammatically honorific, but 많이 드세요 is the standard polite phrase for offering food or drink respectfully.
So the safer phrase is 많이 드세요, especially with elders, guests, teachers, or customers.
Another mistake is using 편히 계세요 to someone who is leaving. If they are leaving, say 살펴가세요 or 조심히 가세요.
If they are staying, 편히 계세요 fits. If they are going, 살펴가세요 fits.
Quiz. An older guest is leaving your home after dinner. Which phrase best matches that moment?
The answer is A. 살펴가세요. The guest is going, so you give a caring send-off.
맞아요. If the guest were still eating, 많이 드세요. If the guest were staying in the room, 편히 계세요. 정리해 볼게요. 많이 드세요는 식사나 음료를 권할 때 써요. In English, use it when you respectfully offer food or drink.
살펴가세요는 어른이나 손님이 떠날 때 쓰는 따뜻한 배웅이에요. In English, say it when someone respected is leaving. Go carefully. Take care on your way.
편히 계세요는 상대가 머물거나 쉬고 있을 때 써요. In English, it means please stay comfortably or make yourself comfortable.
그리고 세요는 명령만이 아니에요. In these phrases, it carries respect and care toward the person you are speaking to.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 많이 드세요. It is small, respectful, and useful at every table.
I'm Ava, and now I know. Sale can sound caring, not bossy.
준호였습니다. 다음 시간에는 honorific verbs themselves, 드시다, 계시다, and more.